What's going on, guys? XSR Detroit with another motovlog for you at the Hell Saloon in Pinckney, Michigan, and take a look at that Indian. It's a good looking bike. It's pretty sexy. I've never actually seen one in person. I guess it's a bit shorter than I thought it would be, but it's a good looking bike. Pretty dope helmet too. I wonder if that guy realizes he left his keys in the ignition. Probably. It's pretty chill here. Even I'll leave my helmet out with the GoPro on it and not really worry about it. Man, it has been an awesome day of riding. We've just had really good weather this week. This is my second time coming up to Pinckney, which is, I think at this point I'm ready to accept that it's my favorite place to ride. The roads are sweet, lots of bikes out here, everybody's pretty chill, which is awesome. I'm also out here scouting some new roads. I've got an upcoming meet with some really cool people, XSR owners, MT09 owners. I think we've got an FJ coming. We had our first meet a couple weeks ago and it went really well. Only a few of us showed up, but now we have a whole group. We have more people interested, so the turnout for this second ride should be pretty awesome. And I did film for the first one, but we were spending so much time just getting to know each other that I felt like, after looking at the footage, that I'm just like, you know what, I'm not going to use any of this. This was just like a cool experience. I will be filming for the second meet, which will be cool, but for the first meet we met up in Detroit and just kind of hit some breweries, you know, got to know each other. Whereas the second meet, we're gonna get some real riding in, and I suggested that we come out here to Pinckney because the roads are nice. I can show them all the roads that I know of out here, and we could have some motorcycle fun. So that is gonna be pretty sweet. I've also made some changes to my GoPro. I don't know if you guys noticed this on the Athens trip, but the footage was really noisy, and I was trying to figure out, I'm like, what did I do wrong? And I was looking at the base GoPro files, and they were noisy too. So it wasn't a editing issue or like a post-production thing. Basically what had happened was I was running my camera at way too high of a frame rate for what I was trying to do, and it made the images look staticky and just kind of noisy. I was running the camera at 120 frames, which is definitely like way too much. So I decided to look up some different settings that motovloggers use, and I got myself an ND filter, and the footage looks so much better now. I'm so happy with it. I've been out here filming just like random things, nothing like YouTube related, with the ND filter equipped, and man, I am so happy with how it turned out. It's got a really nice motion blur, which is cool. It just looks better. The color looks good. It's not getting washed out from the sun. It's a bit later in the day now and it's cloudier, so it's not as how should I say, like vibrant as it was maybe an hour ago. But overall I'm really happy. My whole plan with the Athens trip is I wanted the footage to look cinematic. Yeah, I wanted it to feel like more than just like a motovlog video, and that's still my goal. Holy shit, it's a big bird. What the fuck? And that's my goal. You know, I'm not making documentaries, I guess, but I want them to feel bigger than just a simple video. So using these settings and some other changes should help lend to that. So we'll see how it goes. Overall, I was happy with how the Athens Moto Camp video turned out for the most part. It was a really cool experience. I'm definitely gonna go back to hit up those roads. I think maybe next time I'll just grab a hotel and just like make the roads just basically the focus. I was kind of like, obviously I was riding a lot, but I was also camping too, which was still a blast. I was actually trying to squeeze one more motorcycle camping trip in, and it's not gonna happen. It's just not gonna happen. Work's back to being semi-busy, so I can't just skate off anymore. I do have a couple days left to burn, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. It's gonna be getting chilly here soon. Today it's 70 degrees. It's beautiful. Got some beautiful trees. Look at the leaves. Isn't that nice? That's one thing I'm excited for. Next week it should be even better. Fall is a beautiful time in Michigan, and it's one of my favorite riding seasons because you can kind of bundle up a little bit and you don't have to worry about sweating balls in a helmet all day, which is nice. I definitely appreciate that. I got myself some heated grips. These are from Caso. They're the Apollo heated grips. I haven't really got the opportunity to test them at all. I posted an install video on it. I will be doing a follow-up review on them, but it's been 70 degrees, so I don't need them right now. But it won't be long before I do. This weather is not gonna last. It's probably gonna be like maybe in a week or two, the temperature is just gonna tank, and you know, gonna have to start wearing the heated hoodie. Got my heated grips. They're gonna be awesome. Really looking forward to having them. These things get pretty toasty. I did just turn them on one morning riding to work just to see how they were, and they are definitely warm. So pretty stoked about that. I got a Graves speedometer relocator coming I think tomorrow actually, so expect a video on that. Shout out to my boy Jonathan. When I saw how it actually looked in person on his bike, I knew I had to just, I'm like, all right, let me just go ahead and order this. And I'm stoked because then I could maybe move my quad lock arm down a little and clean all this up a little bit, and we'll see how that goes. But I'm stoked to have that. But for the most part, I actually think I'm done with the upgrades now. And I might have said that in another video, but I don't know. I just feel like I'm pretty much, what more can I do? I mean, I could upgrade the suspension, but for the cost of doing that, I could just buy a dual sport and have other kinds of fun. I mean, the suspension on this bike isn't fantastic by any means, but I could live with it. And it's not like I'm hitting the track yet. That is in the plans. I definitely want to eventually get to a point where I'm taking the bike on the track, but I have to get my car trailer ready, and then I have to buy a trailer, and then I got to build up the trailer, which is all stuff I do plan on doing probably next spring anyway. So track days are gonna be a thing, and I'm really hyped about that. I never thought I'd be like a track day guy, but I really just want to get better at riding, and it looks like a ton of fun. So I could definitely see that in my future. Man, it is so nice out here. It's so worth the ride. I'm about like maybe an hour away from here, and today I was debating, I'm like, well, what do I want to do? Do I want to just putz around my usual spots that are closer to home? But honestly, the riding isn't as good. Let's pull over here for a sec. So it's just worth my time to just drive an hour away, come here, and get the riding that I actually want in. Alright, let's wait a sec, give myself some space with that truck. But yeah, if you're watching this and you live in Michigan, our second meet is coming up. When I say Michigan, I'm more like southeast, like Detroit area. Our second meet is coming up October 23rd. We will be meeting at Hell Saloon. I will link our Facebook group. By the way, we have a Facebook group now, which is dedicated to XSR, MT riders in Michigan, but we're pretty much accepting everybody. So if you're watching this and you don't have an MT or an XSR, but you still want to come hang out, please join the group, and we are more than happy to have you. But yeah, October 23rd, we're gonna be meeting at Hell Saloon. I'll post the link with all the details. And oh damn it, crossover got in the way. I want to have fun. I want to rip. Damn it, Jeep. Anyway, I will post all the details to that coming up. It was really cool meeting everybody the first time, and I'm looking forward to this second meet. Should be a doozy out here. I don't think anyone else that's coming has been out here as far as riding, so they are in for a treat because it is good stuff out here. And there's also never any cops. I literally never see police out here, which is not like I'm like a hoonigan kind of fucking dude or anything, but you know, I do like to go fast. And it's more fun to go fast when you don't have to worry about cops. Yeah. Oh man, I've said it before, I'll say it again. I fucking love this bike. This bike is just too much fun. It's too good. I can't see, there's no point in buying another bike that, I mean, like another street bike, I guess, you know. Maybe sport touring someday. Definitely something for dirt, but it's going to be a whole separate thing. But man, I've just been having so much fun out here today. I came here earlier in the week, and I was kind of just like putzing around, nothing too serious. And today I was like, man, I want to get some, I want to burn some of my chicken strips down a little bit. And that's exactly what I was doing. But yeah, anyway guys, thank you for watching the Motovlog. Like I said, if you're in the area, please come to our second meet, October 23rd. Details will be in the description. Thank you for watching as always. If you like my content, please subscribe. If you like it in general, hit the like button. One day I'm going to figure out how to do an intro right. It's been 2 years and I still don't have it down, but you know the drill. Blah blah blah. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Ride fast, ride naked, wear your helmet. One day I'm going to remember that too, and goodbye.